And I have my little doggy on my bed right now. His name's Jax. He's a little boy. He's showing one of his toys. He has so many toys in his bed, so I'm going to show you all of them. Okay, so we're first going to start with his little carrot. He loves this carrot. Then elephant. This little sheep thing, I don't know. Starfish. Another elephant. Rabbit. This little big thingamabobber. His other rabbit. His llama. His owl. His sloth. Has a little rope on it. His llama. He loves that one. This one on a bone. This is his fish. Rope. Rope. His binky. Croissants. His little bone. His watermelon. The sea fish. His coffee. I made this one and this one of his TikToks. This bone. Tennis balls. More tennis balls. And bigger tennis balls. Okay, that's all. But look how much that is. Look how much. Like, oh my gosh. There's literally so much toys. And he rips one by one every single day. So guys, if you have any questions, please down in the comments. And by the way, I will answer some if I have time. So, thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe, and I might give somebody a prize. It's a surprise, not, it doesn't spoil. So, thank you. Bye. I gotta clean up all these toys. So, bye.